Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9587. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers. But the publisher has indicated this with the 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadruple boxes? Koala boxes contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we have a koala box here. Can I fill those numbers? Insufficient information right now. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The Z construction. In this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Well, we have another Z construction or S construction. It's the same. If you rotate this, you will get the S. If you flip this, or mirror this, then you will get the Z. It's rotated, this S construction. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Oh, yeah. Let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. And here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here also. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe. This shape. Oh, wait. The L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Well, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. I believe the T shape is missing here. The T shape, yeah. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, so we saw a 2. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 2. So 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 daisy left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box. Should be so 4. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Oh, we already have the 3 there. Alright. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes. Definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. So 4 and 5. Yeah. Think. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. Think. These 2 boxes are left in this area from numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Okay. Well, now these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Need a 4 here. Think. 3 and a 4. Ay. Come on. I'm stuck here. 1 and a 2, we already have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes. And then 1 and the 2, we have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This is a 2, okay. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. These two boxes cannot be 4 or a 5. You have a double 4 there, double 5 there. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this Z construction should be the 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Alright. Let me think. Come on. 1, 3. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 3. So we have a pair here in the same area. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. 3 and a 4, okay. 1 and a 3, we already have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 3. And this one is connected with that box, should be so 1. Okay. Now, I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. You have double 5 there. Alright. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And here we have a 2 and a 4, okay. Well, this box... Wait. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If it plays 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box in the same area should be a 2. Okay, now these two boxes can be 4. So one box left for 4, and this quarter box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, let me see, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then, let me see. I need a 2, I need a 4, and a 5. Come on. This is taking too long. 1 and 2. I need a 2 here. I need a 4 here. I need a 5 here. Well, I need a 3 here. Need a 2, need a 4. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Well, I cannot place here the 4, because we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. So no 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay. This box can also not be a 2, because we need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this area. So it can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So one digit left in this W area shape for the number 5. 2 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2, but can also not be a 4. 2 and a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes here then. Alright. Interesting. 4 and a 5, 1 and a 2, 4 and a 5. Interesting. 2 and a 4. 2 and the 4. We already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Overlooked. 4 and a 5. We have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 4. One box left here. We have a pair, the 1 and 2. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. Okay, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box give me 2. This box give me 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And 1 box left now in this area for number 4. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 15. So let me give this a 2 stars. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star, not a 4, not a 3. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute. No, this is the last puzzle for today. Yes. Alright, we solved all the puzzles for today in additional, so have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.